Today I'm joined from Nevada in the United States by Rex Minerals Director of Hog Ranch, Cherie Leeden. Cherie, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you, Samantha.
Now, Cherie, it's been a while since we last caught up, and in that time, Rex Minerals has announced that it's confirmed significant gold extensions at the Krista site. What can you tell me about this news?
The recent drill holes at Krista indicate a much larger gold system than we originally anticipated. It also indicates that the resource is going to be a lot bigger than the current 900,000 ounces that's in our resource at Krista at the moment. So we're super excited by the drilling. In one direction, it extended it by 2 kilometres. In a different direction, it extended our known gold mineralisation by 1.5 kilometres. So over the next couple of months, our resource team will be working to add that data to our resource. We've also recently mobilised a drill rig to the project to add on to that encouraging outcome. And we believe that we're going to do additional work over the winter months, including an IP survey, which is a geophysical survey, following on from wonderful results that we received from our IP orientation survey. And during that survey, we essentially ran some geophysics lines over known gold mineralization, and the results is that the geophysics picks it up wonderfully. So we're going to use that as a way to target drill holes next year.
Those really are some very significant intersections, and Krista's just one of the many project sites that form part of the Hog Ranch property. How does this fit into the bigger picture?
Sure. Well, Krista is the project that we have the most data on, and as a result, it's currently our largest resource. It's the project that was historically mined by Western Mining up until the early 1990s when the gold price crashed to low 300s. And as a result, we know we've already got 900,000 ounces based on the current data, but what our new data suggests is that the resource extends so much further than we originally anticipated. So we're super excited about the Krista resource base growing significantly. And then in addition to Krista, we do have a number of other resources within the asset, all of which essentially remain open in just about every direction from an exploration perspective. We've done most of our drilling to date at the Bells project, and as a result that we started at Bells first, and that's equated to us having a scoping study at the project. And although it's only a 400,000 ounce resource, those scoping study numbers stack up very nicely. We see it as a potential cash cow for the company. And then there's Bells and Krista. And then we've also got a handful of exploration targets, which we haven't really done enough work on. However, Airport, Cameco, Gillam, they're just a couple to name a few that would like to drill in 2021.
And with the extended gold discoveries at Hog Ranch, what's next for Rex Minerals? What's on the cards?
So at Hog Ranch, we intend to continue to grow our resource base. Based on the new data, including the recent drilling, we actually did a state-of-the-art hyperspectral airborne survey, and that has done an amazing job at lighting up alteration minerals. And that's indicated we've got a huge gold system. And as a result of that, we've actually increased our land holding by 3 times in the last 12 months. So we believe we're going to come up with a significant increase to our resource based on the recent data that we've received over the last few months. So it's a game changer as I see it. And in addition to growing the resource base of the projects, we'll also be doing permitting work. We're currently doing a cultural survey and also a geotechnical survey at the Bells project. And that permitting work will feed into feasibility studies and ultimately to our permits for production and mining.
And in addition to the work at Hog Ranch, is there anything else that the company is working on at the moment?
Yes, we're very busy on the hillside aspects. We recently received the pepper, so that project has got new light into it and life into it. So we've got 2 amazing assets. Hog Ranch in particular, the one I'm focused on, I just see it as being massively undervalued. There's a couple of companies on the TSX with comparable assets, and they have a few $100 million market cap space just on one asset. We've got 2 amazing assets, so I really see 2021 as our year to shine. We plan to really grow our resource base at Hog Ranch and also commence the feasibility studies, and those feasibility studies should really indicate to the market the value of the assets.
Great. Thank you so much for joining me today to discuss these latest results and what's next for Rex Minerals. We look forward to speaking to you again soon.
My pleasure. Thank you.